Okay, for removing the door trim, we have to first remove three things. One cup here, the corner, and then big one here have the airbag sign, and then also this one inside the door catch. This one only with the small screwdriver is gonna come off, but at the end, careful to not break it, because this one have a hook. This hook is sliding the inside, so don't break this. And then another part is removing this cup, and you are using the wrapping squeegee to grab this one. Fourteens, and then last one here at the corner. Okay, and then this. Okay, 4 bolts size T100. I'm sorry, 300, no, 30 millimeter. I'm really confusing this is about the number. Okay, anyway, so and then last one. So after you remove all the 4 bolts, so just like this way, this cover of the light is missing. Okay, anyway, just push it up and then sliding the door to the up, and then it's going to come up. Then if you check in the inside, that cable for the door handle inside, and then only remove the connector for the window switch. Okay, that's one. Just push the tab, it's gonna come out by itself. And then there you go. The one thing is, I will show for removing this part. This is sliding inside and then holding that door catch. So if you pushing the bottom, these 2 plastic open, and then you can slide it outside and then coming up. So I'm gonna stop the video and then make another video for removing this area airbag and to get the access for the door handle and side mirror.